Choosing your wedding cake is a big decision. There are so many different designs and shapes you can choose from. Though it can be stressful to know what to get, a wedding cake sizing chart will help. When deciding on a wedding cake, you want to make sure you choose one that is big enough to feed your guests. After making sure you have the right size, you can choose from different designs and styles. Many different beautiful styles make lovely wedding cakes. Wedding cake size chart. Most wedding cakes are round and include multiple tiers. Each tier has a cake that typically has between 1 to 4 layers. Most standard wedding cakes have between 2 to 4 tiers. Most cake tiers are made up of 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, or 12-inch cakes. On average, wedding cake slices are smaller than normal cake slices. This allows your money to go further when cake shopping. For wedding servings, a 6-inch cake will serve around 10 people, and an 8-inch cake will serve 20 to 24 people. A 10-inch cake will serve 30 to 38, and a 12-inch will serve 45 to 56 guests. This is for average cakes that have 3 layers per tier. If you are having a very small wedding, with 30 to 34 guests, you can serve a cake with a 6-inch tier and 8-inch tier. For a small wedding, a cake with an 8-inch tier and 10-inch tier will serve around 50 to 62 guests. For a small to a medium-sized wedding, a cake with a 10-inch tier and 12-inch tier will serve around 75 to 94 people. If your wedding is medium-sized, a 3-tier cake with 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch tiers will serve around 60 to 72. For large weddings, a 3-tier cake with 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch tiers will serve about 95 to 118 people. A 4-tier cake with 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch tiers will serve between 105 to 128 people. Cake size, round. Number of servings: 6-inch, 10, 8-inch, 20 to 24, 10-inch, 30 to 38, 12-inch, 45 to 56. Cupcakes. A popular trend now is for people to get a small wedding cake and cupcakes. This is a simple and effective way to serve dessert to your guests at your wedding. It also allows you to get more flavor combinations and can be more budget-friendly. Most people will get a small 2-tier cake or even a 1-tier cake to slice. The wedding cake itself will be for the wedding party, with the rest of the guests getting cupcakes. This allows you to order the exact number of cupcakes you'd like. Sheet cake. Another common trend is to serve guests sheet cake, while also getting a small 1-tier or 2-tier cake for the wedding party. This is typically a more affordable option than getting a large cake with multiple tiers. A half-sheet cake will serve anywhere from 18 to 40 people, depending on how you slice it. A full sheet cake will serve anywhere from 48 to 96 people, depending on how you cut it. When to order your wedding cake. To ensure you get the cake and design you want for your wedding, you should find a baker 6 months to a year before your wedding date. You will want to meet with the baker to discuss cake flavors, design, and servings. The baker can help you decide the best size of cake to get based on how many guests you plan to have. About a month before your wedding, you will give your baker the number of guests that will be attending your wedding. This will ensure that the cake they make you will have enough servings. Another thing to take into consideration when ordering a cake is if you want to save the top tier. Many couples choose to save the top tier and freeze it so they can eat it on their first wedding anniversary. If you choose to do this, make sure you still have plenty of cake for all your guests to enjoy. Make sure to use a wedding cake serving size chart. Before you decide on a cake, be sure to use a wedding cake sizing chart. This will help you determine what size cake you will need to get. After you know what size to get, you can decide on flavors and design. In addition, you will also want to tell whoever is in charge of serving the cake what size slices to cut. This will ensure that there will be enough cake for everyone at the wedding to have. Since wedding cake slices are smaller than standard, it is important whoever is in charge knows this. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.